Hello everyone. Today we are going to show you two specific geometry extras. What is that? Number one is that we are going to prove that hypotenuse is the largest side of a right angle triangle. And secondly, that for an obtuse angle triangle, the side just opposite to the obtuse angle is the largest side. That is, I have shown you here PQR is an obtuse triangle where angle PQR is an obtuse angle. So I have to prove that the opposite side to the angle PQR, that is PR, is the largest side. And this triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. We have to prove that the hypotenuse, that is AC, is the largest side of this triangle. So for proving these two geometry problems, I am first taking of the problem number 2. So we know that for any triangle, sum of any two sides is greater than the third side, right? Now, also there is another theorem that if any particular angle is greater than the second angle of the triangle, then the corresponding reverse sides are having the same relation. That is, if angle PQR is greater than angle PRQ, that means this angle, if this is greater than this, then opposite to this side, that is PR, is obviously greater than PQ. Why? Because this is an obtuse angle, that means measurement of angle PQR is greater than 90 degree. Now we know that sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So obviously angle P and angle R must be less than 90 degree. That means they have to be acute angles. What does that signify? That signifies that this angle is greater than angle R, as well as angle Q is also greater than angle P. Angle Q is also greater than angle P, because this is greater than 90 degree and these two are acute angles, that means they are less than 90 degree. So that is why this angle, angle Q, its opposite side is PR, is simply greater than QR. At the same time, PR should be greater than PQ. That means PR, that is the side opposite to the obtuse angle, is the largest side. So this is the proof, a very simple proof, but we are going to prove this way using a basic theorem of geometry, that opposite side of the obtuse angle of a obtuse angle triangle is the largest side. Secondly, I am going to prove that for a right angle triangle, hypotenuse is the largest side. We know that from Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, right? This is a Pythagoras theorem for right angle triangle. Now proving this, what does that mean? Let this angle be C, so its opposite side I am considering as small c. This angle is A, its opposite side I am considering as small a. This angle is B, that is 90 degree. I am considering the hypotenuse as small b. So from Pythagoras theorem, we know that B square equal to C square plus A square. I have to prove that B greater than A and B greater than C, right? Now I can write that B square equal to C square plus A square. That means AC is square root of C square plus A square. For convenience, I am assuming that AC is less than AB. What does that mean? That means that root over of C square plus A square less than, what is AB? AB is C. If I square on both the sides, that means C square plus A square less than C square. That means C square goes off and A square less than 0. Now you can understand that A is a length, so a has to be positive, so a square can never be negative because these are all real numbers. So this is not possible. So that means AC less than AB, what we assume, is not correct. That means AC greater than AB. At the same time, I am assuming that AC is also greater than BC. Assuming AC is greater than BC. What does that mean? Again, AC we know that root over of a square plus c square. That means root over of a square plus c square greater than AB. AB is C. That is BC. BC is A. That is A. We are assuming that AC is less than BC. We have to assume. We are assuming the reverse one. That is a square plus c square. Square root of that is less than A. If we square on both sides, then a square plus c square less than a square. Simply that implies to c square less than 0. Now c is a length, so c square has to be greater than 0. So this is not possible. That means AC less than BC, this assumption is not correct. That means AC is greater than BC. So AC is greater than both the sides. That means hypotenuse is the largest side of the right angle triangle ABC. So if you like this proof and the previous one, I would request everyone to view, see and watch and subscribe my channel as well. Thank you.